Hi guys, welcome to Alphons Creative World. So in this video, we are going to Kerala via Amritsar, Nagpur, Mumbai and Kochi. So stay tuned till the video ends. We are starting our journey to Kerala from Amritsar railway station. Golden Temple and Jallianwala Bagh are the places of main attraction of tourists. We are passing through Delhi railway station. Delhi, the capital of India, has a strong historical background. Qutub Minar, India Gate, Red Fort are the interest of tourists here. We are in Amritsar Nagpur AC Express train, enjoying the tea. Now we have reached Nagpur. Nagpur is the largest city in Maharashtra. The Futala Lake is one of the most famous spots here. Guys, we are in Dr. Baba Sahib International Airport. From here we will go to Mumbai for sightseeing. My brother is attending online class while we are waiting for the flight. Hi guys, we are in the flight enjoying the journey. Aerial distance between Nagpur to Mumbai is 681 km. 841 km is the distance between Nagpur to Mumbai by road. Now we have reached Mumbai. Mumbai is the industrial capital of India. This city is also famous as the heart of Bollywood film industry. We are going sightseeing here with Akbar Travels, South India's most famous tour and travel operator. So guys, now we are passing through Antilia, Mukesh Ambani's residence. This is Worli Sea Link Road. We have reached Marine Drive. Marine Drive is the heart and soul of Mumbai. These are four-legged concrete rocks. This is famous Taj Hotel. This hotel was attacked by terrorists and at least 31 were killed. The Gateway of India is an art monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai. Due to monsoon, the waves here are very strong. It's time to leave Mumbai. Bye bye. Now we are in the connection flight to Kochi. 1063 km is the aerial distance between Mumbai and Kochi. Now we have finally reached Kochi. Kochi is popularly known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will be posting more videos of Kerala. So stay tuned. This is Alphons signing off.